Okay, in problem 2, we're going to be working with distance is equal to rate times time. So that just gives you an idea. Alright, it says Aaron drove his Freightliner a distance of 1,112 miles in 20 hours and 45 minutes. What was his average speed? Now, it should say what's his average speed in miles per hour, but it doesn't. But we're just we're going to assume that. So what I'm going to do is let's first write down the equation that we're going to need. And of course, we're always dealing with that because I forget to click my ink. Okay, so what do they give us in the problem? Or what are they asking for? What is his average speed? So they're asking for R. They're asking for R. So we need to solve for R in this problem. But before we do, let's just plug our numbers in. So a distance of 1,112 miles. So that means that D is equal to, and remember this is in miles, okay? And our T, our time, he drove for 20 hours and 45 minutes. Okay. But we want to get our answer in miles per hour, so we're going to have to convert this to hours. That 45 minutes needs to be converted. So in other words, it's 20 hours plus 45 minutes is how many hours, and to get that it's just 45 over 60, 60 being the total number of minutes. Alright, so 45 over 60, what is that going to give us? Okay, so let's go ahead and plug everything in over here. That's our distance. Our rate is what we're trying to find, and the time is going to be 20.75. So you should have gotten that. And now all we're doing is solving for R in this problem. Right, just taking that 20 diagonally down, or multiplying both sides by the reciprocal. But we're doing the shortcut now. Okay. And of course, we're going to want to probably plug that into some cheap calculator or use your computer. And this is, we're going to say approximately, okay, got the two little squiggly lines, 53.59 miles per hour. Okay, so he went an average of 53.59 miles per hour. Now something I didn't say, Freightliner's a big truck, 18-wheeler. Yes, Aaron is driving an 18-wheeler all over this country. I know all about it. I've been in it. I've been there, done that, didn't like it. So this was the key right here. You got to convert, get everything in terms of hours if we're asking for miles per hour. Now if this was miles per minute, then it'd be a different story, right? But it's miles per hour. Okay. Alright, that concludes this problem. See you in the next.